So usually these lakes are all covered with snow by the time the water freezes. And I've been skating for about 12 years up here, and I've never seen it like that. So this was a very unusual environmental conditions. The combination of being able to look down 3 or 4 meters and see what's on the bottom, I've never experienced that in the 12 years that I've been doing this. I think what was so special about this ice is that because it's up in the Alpine, it's up in the mountains, the lake bottom doesn't have any vegetation, and it's rock instead of soil. And so the water is really clear.